everyone. I'm here to discuss about Clinical SAS. SAS is a statistical analysis software. It is a software programming language used for managing, analyzing, and reporting data. Not only in clinical trials, SAS software is used in various departments. This is a statistical software package mostly used in pharmaceutical and biotechnological industries. This is the main software used in SAS 9.4 software. Initially, it was established in 2013 as SAS 9.4 M1, and by January 2023, it is advanced as SAS 9.4 M8. Previously I told it is used in various departments. In IT departments, it's used for simplified architecture and then security and deployment flexibility. As administrators, it is used for management capabilities, auditing and software deployment and upgrades. As a SAS programs, it is used for high performance analytics and multi-threading capabilities for efficient data analysis. For the business users, it is used for mobile access and self-access option for reporting and exploration. As a SAS programmer, the responsibilities for them is they have to construct SAS data sets by extracting data from clinical databases and develop the SAS macros, templates, and utilities to facilitate data cleaning and reporting process. Apply STTM guidelines as a framework for dataset creation, and then SAP in close coordination with the project statistician. Then verify the CRF follows which to the protocol guidelines, ensuring consistency and completeness. Craft SAS programs to generate tables, listing figures, and analyze datasets. Review CRF annotations and data specifications for accuracy. Identify and implement data validation sets according to the data validation plan or data management plan. Develop SAS coding and table templates for the preparation, processing, and analysis of clinical data. How CDM is used and how SAS is used in CDM. Some of the CDM, like a manager, CDM managers, they'll be using SAS software. For the FDA, it will be very easy to analyze, clean, and validate the trial data.
Today I am here to present what it takes to be a medical coder. So before going to the topic, just I will be covering the introduction. In that I will be explaining what is medical coding, then who is a medical coder, the job responsibilities, the skills required to be a medical coder, and career opportunities and summary. So medical coding is nothing. It is the process of transferring or translating the medical processes, procedures, treatments, or diagnosis into a alphanumeric, that is universal alphanumeric form. So the person who or a healthcare professional who does the translation is called as patient coder. And the importance of coding is it has a vital role in to play in the collection of general medical statistical data, billing and reimbursement, and compliance. So the job role of or responsibilities of a medical coder is to assign code. First and foremost is they should have a knowledge about the coding system. There are three types of codes: ICD codes, which will be the codes for the diagnosis; CPT, the current procedural terminology, which will be for the procedures done by the healthcare professional; and HICCP, that is healthcare common procedural system, that will be used for the supplies or the medicines used, that will be coded in that particular using that system. Then we should have compliance, that is ensuring coding practices adhere to healthcare regulations and guidelines such as ICD, CPT, HICCP. Then you should have an accuracy. The accuracy is very important for reviewing and validating the codes for precision, completeness, and correctness. Then proper record keeping. Maintenance of record keeping is very important because each patient's medical history is very different and it should be properly maintained. Then communication. Communication plays important role in medical coding because we have to collaborate with many healthcare providers or maybe with the billing specialists if there is any discrepancies in the coding. Then data analysis. Analyzing coded data to support research, financial planning and quality improvement efforts. Then we should be always updated. That is, we have to continuously learn about medical coding because every year there will be lots of additional deletion of codes. So we should be updated about the coding system. Then software proficiency. We should be knowing about how to utilize the coding software, electronic health record system effectively. So the skills required for a medical coder is there should be a thorough knowledge about the medical terminologies. Then they should have a basic knowledge about anatomy and physiology. Then analytical skills. Then proper knowledge about the guidelines of ICD, CPT and CPT coding, clinical documentation, then professionalism, then confidentiality, because we should not violate the HIPAA rules, HIPAA regulation, and then communication and Microsoft proficiency. So there are vast or diverse opportunity for medical coders, and we should be certified. And the certified medical coders are high in demand in IT companies, hospitals, insurance firms. They have role for medical coding executive, coding specialist, till chief medical information officer. So medical coding is not a standalone field for to work. Based on your skill, you can work in management, auditing, documentation, compliance, and more.
Judge. And in our slides, we will discuss about what is clinical research protocol and why it is important and what are the deviations and amendments and contribution. It is a detailed plan that produces the outlines what are the how we will conduct the clinical trials. It includes information on the study design, participant eligibility criteria, interventions and outcome measures. The purpose of protocol is to ensure that the trial is conducted systematic and standardized manner with the aim of producing accurate and valid results. It is important to ensure the safety of study participants, maintain significant rigor and produce reliable data. Without a well-designed protocol, there is a risk of bias, errors in the study conduct or data collection. By following a protocol, researchers can be minimize these risks and increase the validity and generalizability of their findings. Why are protocols important? It is important to ensure the safety of the study participants and for example, consider the case of Jessie Silver. She is a teenager who died during the gene therapy trial due to the protocol deviation. This caused this results in fatal immune response to her. This is a tragic incident underscores the importance of following clinical research protocols and adhering to ethical standards. And protocol deviations and amendments. A deviation occurs when there is a departure from the protocol and amendment is a change made to the protocol after it has been approved. It is important to handle these situations carefully to ensure the safety and well-being of the study participants and the integrity of the research. It can be reported to the institutional review board and other relevant parties such as sponsors and our regulatory agencies. It plays a crucial role in reviewing and approving any changes in the protocol. Deviation poses a risk to participants and requires further action. At this conclusion, ensure the main goal is to ensure the safety of the study participants.